Hi everybody, I'm super excited about today's video. We're going to be making Cutout sugar cookies. I'm so excited. But before we get started, I want to give a shout out to Shanna Heyman, and if y'all want to get entered in our next comment competition, just comment down below on this video. Alright, we're going to start with the cookie dough. First, in an electric mixer, you're going to cream together 3/4 a cup of shortening, 3/4 a cup of butter, 4 eggs, 2 cups of granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now you're going to add 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 5 cups of flour. Alright, now that your dough is all mixed together, you're going to put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. After your dough is finished chilling for 1 hour, you're going to roll it out on a lightly floured surface until it is as thin or thick as you want it. And then you can use whatever cookie cutters you want to cut out shapes for your cookies. Once you have all of your cookies cut out, you're going to put them on an ungreased baking sheet. Now you're going to put them in the oven at 400 degrees for 6 to 8 minutes. And there is my dad and my brother. While your cookies are cooling, we're going to make the buttercream frosting. First, you're going to whip up 1/4 a cup of softened butter. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon plus a teaspoon of milk and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Alright, now you're going to add 1½ cups of powdered sugar and mix it until it's the consistency that you want it. Now have fun with your family and friends decorating your sugar cookies. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notifications. See you next time on BG Bakers.